Hello guys, so today it's another vlog, and today's vlog guys we have another comparison between these two camera. Again, we have the Fujifilm X-T50 and the Canon R7. So yes guys, we will try to check the comparison between these two APS-C cameras, again from Fuji and from Canon, and let's see which camera is perfect for your needs. So without further ado guys, again, before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video, and tutorial. At shout out kay Robert doon. May camera pa eh. Robert. Palaboy OFW. Yan. Again guys, let's start now. First, again, the Fujifilm X-T50. So this is the latest camera from Fuji, APS-C, and announced last, again, May 16, 2024. While the Canon R7 announced last May 24 of 2022. So, yan guys. Why to consider take the Fuji X-T50 compare for the R7 of Canon? First, again guys, this is already with a built-in pop-up flash. So, it's great for photography. You have already built-in pop-up flash. Yon, this is the built-in pop-up flash guys. Compare for the R7 that you don't have a pop-up flash. So, sensor. So, again, this is a 40 megapixel APS-C camera sensor of the X-T50. And again, the maximum electronic shutter, which is 1/180,000 shutter speed. So compare for any brand. Yan, which is this one, I think 1/6,000 shutter speed. Yes, correct. Weight, yes. You can see from the body itself, this is more smaller and lighter compare for the R7 of Canon. Ayan. So, maximum video resolution, again, this is already 6K. 6K and Ultra HD, all 3000 or 4K, like 3800 by 260 on the R7. So, ayan guys, that's T50. It's again better for resolution, like a megapixel. You have a highest shutter burst electronic shutter, which is 1 to 8000, more smaller, and 6K camera. So and let's see what's the difference between the R7 and the XT50. So if you consider to take the R7 compare for the XT50, this is your reason why you will take the Canon R7 over the X7 X50 T750. Sorry. And first, uh, the maximum ISO on this camera is 32,000 ISO. Yan. Number of focusing point also 651 focusing point compare for 425 of the XT50. Um, Mechanical shutter. Yes, guys. There's a two shutter type, mechanical and electronic. So this one is 1/8,000 mechanical shutter, while 1/4,000 mechanical shutter for the XT50. Yeah. Continuous shooting burst mode. So we know already the R7, it's a predecessor of Canon 7D, which is for crop sensor, but it's for wildlife. So this one is 30 frames per second. Compare for the 20 burst mode per seconds of the XT50. Yan. So again, this is also a weather shield camera, the R7 from Canon, and the XT50 is not a weather shield camera. Battery life, this is 660 shots over 305 shots of the XT50. 660 shots of R7 Canon. Again, for vlogging type or selfie, you have a articulated screen. Yan, compare for tilt screen of the XT50. Okay. So, you have also two slot of memory card, two SD card of extra memory card from R7 compare for one slot only for the XT50. And guys, this is reason why you will choose the R7 over the XT50. So for wildlife photography, for sports photography, I will choose this because 30 frames mechanical shutter 1/8000, and battery life, of course, 660. And of course, it's a weather sealed camera, so it's good for wildlife photography and sports photography. So again, guys, both this camera, they have a similarity. They have a spec similarity. The Canon R7 and the X-T50. First, they are both unlimited for recording. Again, if you want to record a video, again, it depends on your memory card and of course the battery. So you have unlimited recording. You have also Wi-Fi, Bluetooth connection, and yeah, you can. There's a hot shoe, so you can extend external flash. Touchscreen, they are both touchscreen. Face detection already in the camera, and you have also anti-flicker, eye tracking, and vehicle tracking. They have same, and webcam function. Yeah, you can use this both camera for the webcam function. You have also microphone port and headphone port with these two cameras. So time-lapse recording is already in the built-in. So, and guys, this is the um, similarity within these two camera, the R7 Canon and the X T50 of the Fujifilm. So, and guys, for me, if you want to have a street photography, more lighter, more smaller, and you have, if you want to print more larger prints, so I go for the XT50. And of course, you have already your film simulation, 20 film simulation, and of course, you have a film simulation dialed already here. And so, and again, it's more compact, and if you put a pancake lens like 27, it's perfect for street photography or everyday use. I will go with the XT50. And also, yan, if you want for sports, wildlife type of camera, then I will go with the Canon R7. It's a weather sealed camera and 30 frames per second for burst mode. Yan. So, again, guys, and also for selfie, like a vlogging type, this is also good because you have a fully articulated screen. Yan. Again, both of these cameras touchscreen. So, and guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, if you are more for street or everyday shoot, then you have to take the XT50. So this is a good camera. But if you are more in wildlife and sport type photography, then I'll go with the Canon R7. So yeah, guys, I think that's it for today's vlog, guys. Again, if you want to check the price and availability of these two camera, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So if you want again to check our Fujifilm cameras and Canon cameras and lenses, check our website www.abworld.com, or you can come here visit in our showroom, Megastore showroom, Igela and Shamia showroom. So yan guys, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay.